Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about position function, contains function, left function, right function. So let us start with Snow site. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account. How to set up free trial Snowflake account? I already prepared video on this. You can watch from playlist. So let us start with position function. Before going forward, please subscribe my channel and also hit like button if you like video content. It is really help to grow the channel. Okay, so start with position function. Position function is used to find the position of substring within a string. Suppose I want to find L in Snowflake. So if I execute this statement, then it show sixth position of L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Suppose I want to find S in Snowflake, then it show first position. Suppose if I want to find a small letter S, then it shows 0 because string is case sensitive. Okay. Suppose I want to find a special position in comment. So if I execute this statement, then it show the 50 position of a special character. Here 29, 49 position, here second position. Okay, like this you can use position function in query. Okay, suppose I want to find express in L line item table in comment. So if I execute this statement, you can see here the express in 13 position, here 7th position. Okay, let's move to another function, contain function. Contain function is boolean function. It's return true or false if the substring present in a string. Suppose I want to find apple in this string. This is an apple. If I execute this statement, you can see here true if apple present in string. Suppose if I do ABC, then it's written false because ABC is not present in this string. You can find one character also A present in this string, so it's written true. Okay. Suppose I want to find express in line item table of comment column. Then if I execute this statement, it's so true. If I comment this where clause, which I filter, then it's so if false if express word not present in comment column. So now let's move to left function. Left function return a leftmost n character of a string, and right function return a rightmost n character of a string. So let's understand with example. Suppose I want to find first 4 character from left side, and in this example from the last I want to find 4 character. So here use right function and here use left function. So if I execute this statement, then it show first 4 character and here it show last 4 character. Okay, so if I want to find rightmost character, then use right function. If I want to find from left side, use left function. Suppose in this example I want to find first 2 character, then we use left function. First 2 character it's so. Okay, suppose if I want to find last 4 character, then we can use right function. If I execute this, you can see here. So this all about in this video. If you like my video content, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.